Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Polio Jr., and today I'm going to do all of you a humongous favor. And this is pertaining to Amazon Flex, um, using your Windows or your Mac computer, and we will be using the Android emulator called Nox Player, which I have reviewed before, in order to get blocks a lot quicker. So obviously the first thing you need is the Nox player. Just do download for Windows, or if you're using Mac, that's perfectly fine, and install that. So here's the other thing that you need, and this is at freemouseclicker.com. Now this is a dot um, it doesn't install into your directory. So I don't know if it actually works for Apple, but it definitely works for any version of Windows. So, um, but yeah, so I'm just gonna keep going like we're doing it for Windows. I know Nox is for Windows and Mac, and then just keep download free mouse clicker. And like I said, you don't have to install it. You just open it up, and it just stays by itself, so it doesn't install anywhere. When we go into Nox, you use it like your Android cell phone. Log in with you can log in with your regular Gmail account. You can use a different Gmail account. It doesn't matter. And what you want to do once you do that is get either I did the Talkatone one because the Talkatone um, I had a problem with text now. So Talkatone, I didn't have to have a phone number at all to get a number from Talkatone. So you go into the settings. After you're done getting the number from Talkatone, go to settings up here. Um, and then advanced settings, and then make sure the startup settings are mobile phone. And then here, okay, so I've actually erased these. The IMEI, you can click create, and the mobile phone number is what you use from Talkatone. Now I'm going to put those back in. Um, I'm going to pause the video, put these back in, and then open up Amazon Flex. Okay, so now that all the settings on Nox Player are set, you want to have um, your Amazon Flex. You want to be able to install the Amazon Flex app. So you should be able to do that from the Amazon Flex website and then just log into your account. If not, um, find um, the file that you downloaded on your phone. See if you can download it again. Go to the file manager on your phone, which would look like this, and then you would look in downloads, and then whatever it was, you would basically just click it, and then a share option should come up. So like I believe if I click that, and then here, or now here, maybe not with this, because there isn't anything to share. But you should have the option to share um, to Google Drive so that you can easily access it somewhere like that. Uh, Download that APK file, um, and then once you do, you click this APK on the side, and then it just brings you to the directory on wherever you have the Amazon Flex APK file. So now let's get to the fun part. So if you are able to get into your Amazon Flex app, as I have, it'll say you were already logged in to an account, into a different device. Do you want to log out of that device and use this one? And that's perfectly fine because you can go right back to using your phone. So don't worry, nothing's going to happen. But this is where we open up Mouse Clicker, and it's just open it up, run, and this is it right here. And I try to keep this close. Everything will start to make sense here. So when you open up free mouse clicker, I just left it on 1 millisecond to for the mouse to do the left button single click. So yeah, single click, and then we click start, and I'm gonna go to mouse clicker. Okay, so I have mouse clicker. I only have mouse clicker on top, so that when something does come, when something becomes available at the top, I can just drag my mouse to the stop and then go select the block and then hit accept. So just like that. And that's all I'm going to do. I should have done that. Okay. So I'm keeping it as close to the stop button as I can. Now, it's a little later in the night. It's 11:08 p.m. So I don't expect to find anything just in general. I believe everything that's been released has for tomorrow, at least in my area, up until 12:30 has already been released. So I think anything that comes through, if it does come through, would be people forfeiting jobs. So I really don't expect anything on just because of what time I'm doing this at. So, and I don't want to waste your guys' time, but I just wanted to walk you step by step as best as I could, as short as I could, to show you a much, at least in my opinion, a more efficient way to do this. Yeah, you can sit there and click on your phone and all that good stuff, but right now I can just talk to you and let this go through and wait till something comes up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this free mouse clicker helps you, and don't worry about using about signing into your Amazon Flex account using Nox Player or even on a different device. So you'll be perfectly fine. So you can log right back into your original phone, and that's what's really nice about it. Is if you did say you did screw up your phone, you can just log into, you could borrow somebody else's phone or something like that, and use their phone and log in and all that good stuff. So it's no big deal. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry, I wish something would come up. If I did it during the day, I'm sure something would. So, but yeah, this is how you do it. But I did see something come up earlier when I was testing it. I am in my account, so, but it's just a little bit later. So I'm just gonna let this run for a little bit. You guys check it out. You tell me what you think. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll help you to the best of my ability. And good luck out there. See you guys.